Oh, poor Katie.
The cat's gonna have to be. You know what you can do with that camera. Foul in the middle. But when the whistle gets blown, the red takes to the scorer's table, and number 5 in blue, Travis Ford comes in from screen right and heads toward Walter McCarty. The segment did not get the last laugh.
I didn't take a lot of brain to figure that one out, but yeah, I saw quickly that they were waiting for.
We're waiting for Grandpa to come. Lots of...
Dave's asleep. After his one night this week, couldn't take it.
Wait, look over here. Dave, can you get her to look up a little? She looks so cute behind you. Kind of lift her so she's over your shoulder.
There she was holding up her head.
She's very coordinated. I can't see her eyes.
There we go.
Katie!
There your
Katie!
nose and your shoulder.
Katie!
How's that?
Nope. Wait. Hi!
Is that good?
Well, she's got one eye sticking out.
Good push-up.
Hi! Very good. Isn't she cute? There we go. Good girl. Now she's getting hungry.